Kyoto. Obviously cherry blossom season, most expensive time to be in Kyoto. And this room is £60 per person per night, so about £120 per night.
Riverside Hotel.
Yeah. There's a dehumidifier in here. They've left with the cutest little note in the world. Can't cope with that.
Just got some food from a cute little shop, convenience store.
Again, looks absolutely amazing. Food.
Yeah, came to £13.
We could live off of 7-Eleven or whatever store that was for 28 days.
And spend pittance. We're not doing.
No.
We are going to other places, but we could.
Well, you've seen all the videos we're going to other places.
Very easily could.
Well, the sushi in there looked amazing.
Yeah.
Like really fresh, proper sushi.
Duckies, come here. It's quite busy, but like Lauren said earlier, it is their school holidays today, and you can plan your trip around that and not come then, but then you don't get to see these.
Pretty much bloom fully on the week of their holidays. You could probably come the week before, but obviously then they don't look as pretty.
Yeah.
So. But it doesn't feel, I don't know, it don't feel the same sort of busy as it would if it was the school holidays in the UK.
It's busy, but it's not heaving. Yeah. So we can't find anywhere to eat.
Nothing says don't eat anywhere.
Nothing says don't eat, but there's nowhere to sit or anything.
It's really rude in Japanese culture to like walk and eat.
Yeah.
But then also eating at most places as well.
So, anyway, we've found this cute little car park.
And we're going to sit on the side in the shade. We've just seen someone else eating down there, so we know we're not going to get crowned at.
It's more socially acceptable. Roast potatoes and chicken.
And
crisps.
bacon and pasta and egg and coffee.
£13. Perfect.
Very, very nice. So many blossoms.
So this cost £18 for two of us to get into all three parks. It's 1,500 yen each per person. Although we have heard that it's 800 yen.
Someone said 800 on the reviews online, but
So we're not sure whether that's just to get into one small specific park. But we've got 3 anyway, so
yeah.
we're happy.
And the cherry blossoms are really cute, so we're definitely happy.
Yes. Japanese fish and pickle, I think you said. I don't like fish, so I'm really not looking forward to this. Oh, I can see the little eyes. Even Lauren's going for the water.
Let's go down, yeah.
That's a good omen. Not too bad.
Called amazake, but no alcohol, no sugar. Very old traditional Japanese drink.
Thank you.
from only rice.
Wow, that's nice.
Basically, we've come here mainly for the cherry blossoms. As you can see, they are everywhere, so it's a really good viewing spot for them, and it's not as crowded as the other places like in the centre of Kyoto.
You do have to pay to get entry though here.
Yeah, and it is about an hour away. Well, an hour away from our hotel, probably half an hour from the centre of Kyoto.
But we could recommend it, definitely. There's also all these cute stalls in here.
But I think these will only be here for this week.
Yeah, probably only here for school holidays.
Yeah.
But we did get some nice drink.
Yeah, it's a rice drink, traditional rice drink.
It's what we were drinking earlier out that tiny little shot glass. Not the fish.
No. we didn't purchase any more baby fish to eat.
Although surprisingly, I didn't think they were too bad. I wouldn't buy any though. So we queued for a bunny bun this morning.
Gone.
Gone.
All gone. Everything gone in the whole shop. So we'll try again tomorrow.
Yeah.
Everything's a queue.
It's very warm.
It's not that warm.
I'm burning.
Gerard's got a burnt neck. Did you get any sun cream?
No.
7-Eleven. Did you forget?
So we've ordered, we've got a strawberry crepe and a honey lemonade. A little puppy going past there. We've been given our little number, so we'll wait for us to be called. What have you got?
A crepe. The attention to detail in everything that the Japanese do is insane. Like, it's even just got a tiny little leaf there. Little mint leaf, just to add to the picture perfect crepe.
And who was saying that they just fancy a crepe this morning without even knowing about this?
Well, I did know about it, but I just assumed it was an ice cream. I didn't realise it was a crepe.
Yeah.
Do you know what's really ironic is our hotel's literally over there and it's open 24 hours, so if we weren't lazy we could get up dead early and have it all to ourselves, but we are lazy, so it's 12 o'clock and we're here. Tell you, everything's a queue. I think they're just queuing for coffee.
It's just a small coffee shop.
But it must be a good one.
Also, there's two helicopters going around there. And we could definitely smell fire last night. And there's a few fire engines around, so we think there's some forest fires and stuff. So all of these lights along this bridge at night time are powered by the offshoots of the hydroelectricity water that they run off. They divert it off the river. Because it just makes sense. Where are we off to, Lauren? 20-minute walk up steps to go and see some monkeys. So 50 yen. We've got bag of food each. Well, it's 50 yen per bag.
Yeah.
Some peanuts and some apples.
You're only allowed one each, so there's a vet of overfeeding.
They really don't like it, really.
Well, definitely a good view up here if you just want a viewpoint. I heard a bird calling and I looked over and there was a helicopter there, so just automatically made the link in my head. There it is, look. It is a bit of a walk.
But the monkeys are cute.
The monkeys are very cute and they're quite friendly as well. They're not because you do feed them over there, they're not here snatching stuff off the tourists. They're probably the nicest monkeys we've ever met while travelling. They're polite, just like everyone else in Japan.
Let's put something in the air.
Yeah.
What have you got?
Everything closes at about 5:30.
But the place is stretched till to 7:30.
Yeah.
But it's currently 7:30. We've got nowhere to eat, so yes, we are walking to Family Mart.
Again.
They always pull through. So we walked that bit further to come to a supermarket instead, so we could pick up some fruit, which is really hard to come by in Japan. Nearly back home.